Is your iPhone still too bright at night, even on the lowest brightness? Here's how to fix it. Enable dark mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Press and hold the brightness slider. Tap dark mode at the bottom to turn it on. Your iPhone will instantly switch to a darker interface. Customize app icons. Make them darker. Press and hold anywhere on your home screen. Tap the brush icon in the top left corner. Here you will see a few options. Select Customize. At the bottom, choose Dark for your app icons. Your app icons will instantly switch to a darker appearance. Set a dark wallpaper. Download a dark or black wallpaper to your iPhone. Open the image in the Photos app. Tap the Share button in the bottom left corner. Scroll down and select Use as Wallpaper. Adjust the wallpaper to fit your screen if needed. Tap Add in the top right corner. Select Customize Home Screen. Turn off Blur if you want the wallpaper to appear sharper. Tap Done to save your changes. A dark wallpaper helps reduce screen brightness and eye strain at night. Enable Reduce White Point. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll and look for the Reduce White Point option and turn on the toggle. Adjust the slider to your preferred brightness level, 25%, slightly dimmer, 50 to 75%, comfortable for most nighttime use, 100%, maximum dimming. This reduces bright whites and makes your screen much dimmer than normal brightness. And that's it.